Hello everyone, today we are going to understand what is oral hygiene in detail, how we can maintain oral hygiene in a good way, and what all are the things we have to do to maintain our oral hygiene. So what is oral hygiene? Oral hygiene is nothing but keeping your teeth, your gums, your mouth healthy. So first thing is important in maintaining oral hygiene is cleaning your teeth. So it can be done by professional at their official clinic, or it can be done at home by using brush. So the teeth cleaning is nothing but removal of dental plaque and tartar from the mouth. It is usually done by the dentist at their clinic. So you can see this is a professional teeth cleaning picture. As you can see, this is a scaler tip, what we are calling it as ultrasonic scaler, through which we can clean all the tooth surfaces and remove all the stains. As you can see, all these are the stains, so we can remove all the stains through this teeth cleaning, and it is usually recommended twice a year. So what is teeth cleaning? Generally, dentists recommend that teeth should be cleaned professionally at least twice per year. Professional cleaning include tooth scaling. First of all, there will be tooth scaling. After that, it is followed by polishing of the tooth to smoothen up all the surface. And if the tartar is there accumulated, then debridement has to be done, and after that it will be followed by fluoride treatment, so that the chances of caries formation or the carious lesion will be less, as the fluoride produces certain amount of resistant to decay. Now let us see how we can remove plaque. So the plaque removal is very important thing in maintaining oral hygiene. So as you can see, after scaling, this is a before picture of scaling, and this is a after picture of scaling. So after professional scaling, all the teeth debridement, all the yellow color, all the tartar, and all the interbetween staining, all will be get reduced, and the teeth will become like this. So this is the advantage of scaling. Now let us see how to remove plaque. So plaque is a yellow sticky material that forms on the teeth and gums and can be seen at the gum margin of the teeth, and the food dyes are there. So while cleaning, the professional cleaning include removal of all these foods dyes on the teeth, and the gum margin will be get clean. The bacteria in the plaque get converted into carbohydrate. So the bacteria present in the plaque usually get converted into carbohydrates such as sugar, which get converted into acid, and which will going to cause demineralization of teeth and eventually causing the cavities. So to prevent bacteria to convert this sugar into acid and demineralize the teeth, we have to stop eating the sugary food or the something food contain carbohydrate. When there will be less consumption of carbohydrate, there will be less chances of cavity formation. So for removing those carbohydrates from the teeth, as we are using and consuming in our daily life, daily brushing is recommended and daily flossing is recommended. Brushing will clean all the surfaces of the teeth, flossing will clean all the between surfaces of the teeth, and removing the plaque which is present in between the teeth, and the prevent tartar formation which is formed in between the teeth. Now let us see flossing in detail. So the flossing is a very important part of maintaining oral hygiene. There will be cleaning of interdental areas or in between the teeth. Oral hygiene in between the teeth become difficult. So for that there are flossing. The flossing can be of two types. There will be a manual flossing and there will be a water flossing. So what is manual flossing? Manual flossing can be done with the help of this thread, the manual flossing. So it will also clean the teeth interdentally. And there is also these days water flosser is available. There is a tip which will provide the flossing with the help of this water flow. So these days the water flossing is become quite available in the market. So the use of dental floss. What is the use of dental floss? So the use of dental floss is an important element of oral hygiene maintaining, since it removes, what it does, it removes the plaque and decaying food remain stuck in between the teeth. So the dental floss will going to remove the teeth which is present in between the teeth, and it will provide a proper oral hygiene. Flossing for a proper interdental cleaning is recommended at least once per day. So at least once per day it is required, preferably before brushing. We have to do flossing before brushing, so the fluoride toothpaste has better access between the teeth and help in remineralization. So the brushing is recommended after the flossing. The flossing has to be done before the brushing, so the proper oral hygiene will maintain, and the fluoride which is present in the toothpaste will going to be on the teeth for remineralization of the teeth. Now let us see what is tongue cleaning. It is also an important part of maintaining oral hygiene. So let's see. The tongue cleaning can be done with the help of this tongue cleaner. There are different kind of tongue cleaner are present in the market. You can buy any one of them and clean your tongue properly, because the tongue cleaning is also play a very important role, because there are lots of bacteria, lots of microbes, there are lots of food debris staining present on the tongue, which has to be cleaned regularly. We are talking about the tongue cleaning. The tongue cleaning is a part of a daily oral hygiene maintenance, and it is essential. So why it is important? Because it removes the white yellow bad breathing generating coating bacteria. So it will going to remove all the bacteria which is present on the tongue, which will going to create bad breath. Decaying of the food particles and the fungi. The decaying of the food particle and the fungi which is present on the tongue, such as candidiasis, if we will not remove, it will going to cause the oral candidiasis or the tongue candidiasis, which is a very much a painful disease. So it will remove all the dead cells from the dorsum surface of the tongue. So the tongue cleaning also removes some part of bacteria species which is generating the tooth decay. So the tongue cleaning has become a very important procedure in maintaining oral hygiene. So apart from this, you can also use the dental mouthwashes. So the oral mouthwash is also recommended to maintain proper oral hygiene. So here we have come to an end of this topic, as this topic is quite an informative topic.